GameKO.
Well, howdy, coders. This is Delightful Dylan on GameCode, and we're going to be going over the Westcliffe 50219 chair. Now, this is the brown version of the bonded leather seat. I'm going to go over the dimensions real fast. It is 43.8 to 46.7 in height and 28.5 in width with a 32.2 depth. Pretty solid seat. About 200 pounds. This thing seats me very well. Sink right into it. It's fantastic. In this video, we're going to be going over what each step of the assembly process looks like, so you can get an idea from paper to the actual item, and then you'll see the final product at the end. We did have all the pieces laid out. They came in a pretty good sized box. It's from Staples. It's Staples' main brand. So fantastic for that. They gave, I think it was 2 days shipping. Chair itself was $149.99 at time of me making this video, and it was a great buy. Would recommend. I've sat in it for multiple hours, and I love it. So I will continue to buy these products. My previous chair was also one from Staples, and it did me good for about 3 years. If I can get that out of this one, I definitely will have got my money multiple times over. Until next time, I've been Delightful Dylan on GameCode, signing off.